Hey YouTube world, this is BClarity7 checking in, and I'm back to let you into my Robinhood portfolio. Today's video is going to be all about the sweet passive income of dividend payments. Now, I'm going to be showing you my current pending dividend payments, as well as the dividend payments or income that I've received the past 30 days. Now, first and foremost, I just want to express my appreciation for all those who have subscribed to the BClarity7 channel. It really means a lot to me, and I can't thank you enough. My subscriber count is growing, and the view count has recently surpassed 1,000 views. I started the BClarity7 channel to show my stock market investing journey and to create a platform for financial education and motivation. I'm dedicated to continue to create good, honest content and to interact with my growing YouTube family. So it is very important that you subscribe to the BClarity7 channel. If you're not already subscribed, you smash that like button, you drop a comment down below showing your support, and you share this video on all your other social media platforms. Now, if you would like to join in the Robinhood investing journey and start investing in your favorite companies on your very own, please use the link below in the description box to download the Robinhood app, get one free stock, and start investing in the stock market on your very own. Investing in the stock market is key in reaching financial freedom. With that said, I currently hold 30 companies in my portfolio, and the value is currently $5,144. Now, the market is closed at the moment, and today my portfolio is down $1.93, and after hours it is down $4.24. For the week, the portfolio is down $141. For the month, the portfolio is down $42. For the last 3 months, the portfolio is up $735. And for the past year, the portfolio is down $72. Now, the reasoning for the fluctuation is just due to the current state that we're presently in, as far as the civil unrest, as far as this being election year. Unemployment is still really high, and we're still dealing with the effects of the pandemic and the possibilities of a second wave. But myself, I'm a buy and hold long-term investor. So whether the market is going up or it's going down, I want to continue to invest in the stock market because I feel time is always going to be on my side, and my time in the market will always be greater than trying to time the market. So just again, I'm always going to invest. Now, as a dividend investor, all the companies that I hold pay their shareholders dividend payments. Now, in case you're not aware, dividends are payments made by a company to shareholders. They're a way for companies to distribute money or revenue back to their investors. These companies usually pay dividends quarterly, though some companies pay monthly or semi-annually. So no matter what the stock market does, whether the share price goes up or down, as long as the company balance sheet remains intact and bankruptcy is not in the immediate future, you should always receive a dividend payment. Now, let's go ahead and check out some of the pending dividend payments that I have not received yet. So, as you can see, I have a few that are pending for July the 1st. First one, we have Coca-Cola. I hold 3 shares of Coke. They pay their shareholders 41 cents per share, and I'm going to be receiving a total amount of $1.23. After that, we have Nike. I hold 1 share of Nike. They pay their shareholders 24 cents per share, and I'm going to be receiving a total payment of 25 cents. After that, we have UGI Corporation. I hold 4 shares of UGI. They pay their shareholders 33 cents per share, and I'm going to be receiving a grand total of $1.32. After that, we have HP. I hold 10 shares of HP. They pay their shareholders 17 cents per share, and I'm going to be receiving total amount of $1.76. After that, we have Bank of America. I hold 10 shares of Bank of America. They pay their shareholders 18 cents per share, and I'm going to be receiving a payment of $1.80. And the last company that is pending at the moment is going to be the ETF SPYD. I hold 2 shares. They pay their shareholders 36 cents per share, and I will be receiving a total amount of 73 cents. Now, those are the payments that I have pending. Now, as for the payments that I have received already, first up, we have Stag Industrial. I hold 8 shares of Stag. They pay their shareholders 12 cents per share, and I received a total amount of 96 cents. Next, we have Realty Income, aka ticker symbol O. I hold 3 shares of Realty Income. The amount they pay per share is 23 cents, and I'm going to be receiving a total amount of 70 cents. Next, we have Microsoft, everybody's favorite. I own just a little over 2 shares of Microsoft. They pay their shareholders 51 cents per share, and I'm going to be receiving a total amount of $1.08. I'm sorry, I already received. Next, we have AG&C. I hold 52 shares of AG&C. They pay their shareholders 12 cents per share, and I've already received $6.24. After that, we have Johnson & Johnson. I hold 1 share of Johnson & Johnson. The total amount per share is $1.01, and I have received that payment of $1.01. Next, we have Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE. I hold 2 shares of Pfizer. The company pays their shareholders 38 cents per share, and I have already received 76 cents. Next, we have Walmart. I hold 1 share of Walmart. They pay their shareholders 54 cents per share, and I have received a total of 54 cents. Next, we have Intel. I hold 1 share of Intel. Company pays the shareholders 33 cents per share, and I've received 33 cents. Next, we have the ETF SPHD. I hold 10 shares of SPHD. They pay their shareholders 15 cents per share, and I received a total amount of $1.55. After that, we have LTC Properties. I hold 1 share of LTC. They pay their shareholders 19 cents, and I received a total amount of 19 cents. After that, we have Starbucks. I hold 1 share of Starbucks. The company pays their shareholders 41 cents per share, and I have already received a total amount of 41 cents. And let's see, I just did that one. Sorry. Lastly, we have Hercules Capital. I hold just a little over 62 shares of Hercules Capital. Total amount is 32 cents per share, and I received a total amount of $19.99. So those were just some of the payments that I have already received. If I just scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see some of the other payments. I'm not going to get into the details of it, but just as you can see, the payments definitely go for a while. And what you can also see is they add up. As time goes by and I continue to accumulate more shares of these companies, my payments will continue to rise. And just again, as I mentioned, you can see that these go on for a while. And the name of the game is just to keep accumulating more shares and have these payments continue to rise. So yeah, as you can see, that is the beauty of dividend investing. The more shares you hold, these payments definitely will add up. Now, my dream is to one day be able to have enough dividend payments flowing in that I'll be able to pay my bills and enjoy daily life off of them. The more shares I accumulate of these great companies, the more dividend payments will build up over time. I want thousands of dollars in dividend payments annually, and passive income is definitely my intention. So if you like this video and you want to see more content just like it, do me a favor and subscribe to the BClaw87 channel. You're going to find more videos where I take you into all the companies that I hold in my stock portfolio and the amount of shares that I own and why you should join me in investing in the stock market. Before you go, you be sure to click the thumbs up icon and drop a comment down below. Also, don't forget to click my link in the description box to download the Robinhood app, get one free stock, and start investing in the stock market today. Again, just to go back, as I mentioned, I really appreciate everybody who's subscribed to the channel. And for any new subscribers that will be subscribing, I welcome you, and I hope that you gain a whole lot of information from this. Again, as I mentioned, I want to be able to share content, and I want my channel to be able to grow. And I really just want to connect with as many people as I can. Financial freedom is the goal, and I appreciate everybody's time. Be blessed and stay safe. Peace.